What is up, everybody? This is Moritz, and I'm a Shopify developer from Germany. And one of the most often asked questions I do get asked by clients is to build them a nice looking hero banner section like this one from Shop Skinny. And I think this one is really nice because you get the option to add a nice poppy text here. They got this button, and I do think it looks quite nice that there are two images. So you can create this nice little contrast and show a product as well. And what we're going to do today is going to try to recreate this, and I built something like this myself. You can even add a video on the right side right here. You have the text, you have the button, you have everything you need. And I'd say we just get right started. And the first thing you need for this is an app called Section Store. It's a component library many other developers use as well. And it contains over 300 fully customizable Shopify exclusive components. And the one we will be having a look at today is the Hero 14. And instead of paying hundreds of dollars for developers like me, you can easily get this one for a one-time charge of $9, and you can customize everything you see in there. It's fully responsive, it does work on every theme, and it's not going to slow your store down because it just copy and pastes the code into your theme editor. That doesn't mean any unnecessary scripts are loaded or whatsoever, and that code is also optimized for Shopify, so you don't need to worry about that neither. Okay, let's install it to our theme. In my case, it's the Dawn Light theme, and then simply just open up the theme editor right here. And that is the one you saw in the beginning of the video as well. And if we scroll all the way down, I'm just going to show you real quick how you could edit from scratch. You just have to click on Add Section right here. Type in Hero 14, and it is always marked with a little double S, so you can see its Section Store. And that's what the demo version would look like, but we did already fill it with content to save you some time. So if I click on the main block itself right here, you can already see there's a fixed height to it. So if I do make this a little bit bigger, the height is going to increase, and we can either adapt it to the first image or an actual fixed height. So if I click on the fixed height, you can see now, if I make this a bit bigger, the whole thing does get bigger as well. But we want to keep it around, let's say 650. I think that is a nice height. Same goes for mobile. So if I switch to mobile, you see this is also working lovely, looking nice. If we scroll down a bit, we can also decide where the content is going to be positioned. At the moment, it's the bottom and the left corner, but we could also center it if we would want to. But I do think where it is right now actually looks nice. Let's do it here actually. This is also an option. Here we can decide which video we're gonna have in there. So right now it's that one, but we do have the option to simply change it as well. So if I do want that video, that's also nice. We have the same model right here. Maybe that's even better. And always make sure the videos and images are optimized for web, otherwise that could slow your store down. I'm using a website called Image Resizer, but at the end it's up to you. That's a nice little tip on my side. And yeah, here you can do some more customizations to the whole thing. And if we exit the main block, we do have the heading as well. We can change that. Super cozy pillows in this example. And here we can play with the size, the color, and the same goes with all the others. And here we can also add the product itself. So we can simply just select the product, and it's going to appear on the right side right here. But that is something you can also change. It could be on the left side, wherever you want it to be. And then we're simply going to save it all up, have a final look at it in the live version. And we did some improvements to the old one. Let's give this a little reload and see what we got right now. This is looking really nice. And here we got the product as well, which is of course clickable. And this whole thing works perfectly good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys found it useful. I think it is a really nice section to enhance the look and design of your store straight away if customers entered. And yeah, with that being said, have a good one and peace out.